So to begin our work in glitching videos, we first have to take popular formats that we might find when we get these source videos. A lot of times they'll be in something like an MP4 or even maybe a .mov, a QuickTime file, or if we created something, it might be in one of those formats, and we'll have to convert it actually into an AVI. And that's not exactly easy on a Mac because QuickTime no longer does it, iMovie no longer does it, and so we have to use something like the VLC player. And luckily on these computers we have it. So down here in the applications, we'll open that up, and I come down to the bottom to this sort of like safety cone here, the VLC, and I'll open that up. And what I need to do is to come in and find my MP4. I've gone ahead and saved it on the desktop here just to make things easier to find, but of course you might have it on your flash drive or somewhere on your hard drive. And so this is how it works on a Mac. It's actually a bit easier on a PC to do this because an AVI file is a Windows based file extension. And so we'll come in here and we'll actually come down to this convert/stream. We need this because we have to first convert the file type over into an AVI. And when I do, it opens up this window here, and I'm going to choose media. I can either click this and go around to find it, or since I do happen to have it open here on this, I can just pull it, drag it, and drop it right in there. Now I have to go to the next thing, which is choosing the profile. And I actually have to change this. And so what I need to do is come in here, and if you look, AVI is actually not one of the choices on this. I actually have to go down here to custom at the very bottom. And then to customize, right? So it knows that the file right now is an MP4 or /MOV movie, and I need to click on this AVI and apply that. And then I say to save as file. And then it's going to ask me to save it somewhere. I'm going to go ahead and save it on the desktop as well, so I'll browse. We'll call it bombs away, and then .avi. I do need to make sure it's an AVI, but just to make sure that it's not going to convert to something else, let me go ahead in here and tell it not to hide the extension. Sometimes when we come in, we're working stuff on, especially like on a Mac, we might have extensions hidden, so make sure it's not, but it is going to be an AVI. I'm just going to go ahead and save it to the desktop. So if you want to save it to a different destination, you can by clicking on this, but I'm just going to go ahead and save it to the desktop. Click Save there, and Save there. And it's actually put over here. Now on these computers, they're wanting to automatically open actually in QuickTime. You see the little QuickTime icon here, but the issue is that QuickTime will not open up the AVI file. So I just need to make sure I click the Open With and this VLC. So here I see what the video is, and that it is running fine. I don't need to watch the whole thing. I just need to know that the file is working. And so now I want to go in and then to convert it to an Audacity file so I can then glitch it.